Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fill Form W-2. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have not yet, press the notification bell so that you never miss another upcoming upload from us. Filling Form W-2 doesn't have to be difficult with taxbandits.com. It's easier than ever to fill out, review, and transmit your form right to IRS. Here's how to file Form W-2 with taxbandits.com. Log in or create an account, click Start New and select Form from the drop-down menu. Select W-2 from the list of forms. Click File Form W-2 for the appropriate tax year. Now we can either enter the data manually or bulk upload information using our information template when filling manually. Begin by entering the appropriate business. Enter the employer's name, address, and zip code as well. Next, enter the employee's social security number, name, and address. Fill out all necessary wage and withholding information. Enter all necessary Form W-2 state information. When you're finished with this page, click Save and add another if you want to fill out more W-2s, or click Save and continue with review and transmit this form. On the next page, you will be able to add more forms, enable online access to recipient copies by email address, and more. Make sure you have all the appropriate options selected. When you're finished, click Continue. Your forms will now be checked for errors. If any errors are found, you can go back and correct them. Otherwise, click Continue. You will now need to pay the filing fees. Click Complete your order to enter a new credit card or select an existing one. Then click Pay and Transmit. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like these. Thank you for watching.